So, right now we're going to change the oil on Matt's truck and see if we can get that fuel soaking out of the oil with the new injectors. Right now he's making a bunch of noise trying to get everything set up, get the truck jacked up. We'll start draining the oil and hopefully don't get any more fuel in the oil so we don't wash out bearings and destroy stuff. Right now I'm using Matt's new GoPro. He's got a light, so it probably looks a little bit brighter. And we got some cool little attachments and filters and stuff. So maybe video quality will get better. More likely not, because I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to editing. But if you look back here, he's got his old thickies on. And then once he gets the proper lug nuts for it, we'll have the skinnies on in the front. He's got a shifter ordered for it. So hopefully we'll be installing a shifter soon. And I know we said we were gonna wait till about 100 subscribers to do a race between the S10 and the Neon, but the channel's not moving like we want it to, and we want a race. So we'll probably will have a race soon. The SRT4 Neon versus the LS swapped S10, and hopefully it's pretty good. But we're gonna get to this oil change.
There's brew. Keep your balls in it that way.
Hold on.
So today's video is on how to undo an oil filter. Huh.
You actually have to get it undone first before you can say that.
Yeah, no. Oh, there she comes. I'm just gonna drop it.
Yeah, like a mess everywhere. Have you ever seen the rain? That liquid gold. That horsepower, honey. Oh, you spilled it. What the hell?
Sorry, getting full. Oh god. It's okay. You gotta lubricate your headers every once in a while.
So, we got us a dingleberry hone, and we're gonna go ahead and try to clean up the cylinders a little bit, try to get some of this rust broke off, and see how bad the cylinders really are. I know it's still gonna need machine work, but we just wanna get off a lot of the residue and just caked on crud that's in there. So, we're gonna go ahead and hit this and
Try this one first.
see how bad they really are. We have to get in there before we pull the trigger. Oh, tight fit, tight fit. Ew, it's all. Here, just give me this. Keep going.
Wipe it first.
I mean, if you want, you're gonna have to spray more in there anyway. is some pitting in there, but I don't see any like cracks or any major concerns for it not working properly. So we're gonna hit all these cylinders, see how bad they really are, just inspect for like rusted through spots, cracks, anything that just shows signs of it being complete garbage before we actually send it to a machine shop. So we'll hit all these, and then we'll probably get some Scotch-Brite on like a angle grinder or Dremel or something like that, clean up all the surfaces and just see how they look and go from there. What's up, guys? So finally got the head gasket in the mail. It's here, it's ready. I got the parts that were supposed to be hydro dipped. They didn't get hydro dipped. He didn't have enough time. He was real busy with a bunch of stuff. So I said, screw it. Grabbed the parts, brought them home. I'm hoping by this weekend this car should be running and driving. This head gasket was a lot more money than I thought it was going to be. This is the HKS stopper head gasket. If you're a 7M guy at all and you've ever priced one of these, they're pricey. I was running a Titan, I believe it was a 1.4 millimeter head gasket, which is the one right here. You can see where it blew through all its little marks. I believe I showed it before, but it didn't hold up to high boost and everything. So this one I think I'll probably be a little more careful with, because I don't want to spend another $400 on a head gasket unless I get sponsored or something like that. But this one I actually got from Drift Motion, so big shout out to them. This is supposed to be the best head gasket you can get for this engine, so I'm hoping it holds power. There's people making tons of boost, tons of power on these things, so hopefully it holds up, and let's get this thing together.